What up guys, it's Kieran from Calibur Project. As promised, I am here today at Lumin's workshop's grand opening to share you guys all there is about the event. So yes, there's going to be a lot of cool stuff that's going to be happening inside, but do stay to the end of the video. I'll have something really special for you guys to share and get involved as well. Till then, come follow me and we'll see what it's all about.
I'm so happy there's so many people here.
And how would this benefit from you from them opening?
Getting specialist supplies in that we normally can't get in Australia.
I love the fact that I can just come in and grab whatever I need, and she is literally my savior, and I love Lumin's. I love you, Lumin's workshop. I love you.
Thank God this shop's open up. It's nifty as, bro. I'm like, holy shit.
It's just an amazing process. Absolutely phenomenal. I've been buying from Lumin's for a very long time, and I'm just so glad that she opened the shop. She deserves it. She's a hard worker, and I'm super proud to be part of it today. So. Yes.
3, 2, 1. So guys, pretty much you have finally got your opening. How do you guys feel?
Stressed, but like pretty excited.
Yeah.
Good kind of stress, right?
Yeah.
So anyone you guys want to especially thank?
Just everyone who's helped us out.
Yeah.
May, Maggie's sister, Jason. Yeah, just everyone who's given us a hand and helped us, move stuff and.
Awesome. Well, you guys have helped a lot of people through the community, and we're all very, very excited. Any final words?
Just like to thank everyone who came out to our opening, and it's been like super busy, as you can see behind us. So.
Cool. Well, I reckon it's a big success. You guys both deserve to give each other a big high five. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that video of Lumin's grand opening. As I mentioned at the start that there was a little bit something special. You guys can get 2 of Lumin's workshop foam clay. And I'll put the details of how you or your friend can grab one of those in the details below. So till then guys, Calibur Project